Hi, this is John with ATI, and this guy here just did a makeover in my bedroom. This is a Lysol foaming power cleaner. So one of the things that I like the most about this product is just how easy it's just used, and at the same time, it's powerful, not too heavy on the smell for your bathroom, and it's actually so easy to clean. So what I would do is just like I spray this foam in different areas of my bathroom where it's really hard sometimes to get the stains or the whole smells or bad smells that a bathroom could get. Just let it sit there, and this guy would do the job by itself. It's like if it's automatically cleaning. The higher quality is really good. Just pass it over a little bit of water, and this guy just works awesome. So if you're looking for a great product that's gonna look or gonna help you to improve the easiest thing in the world to make it easier to clean your bathroom, this actually does a great job. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.